What if you could taste India right here in Manila Bay? No passport stamps, no airport layovers, just one unforgettable feast. And this time, it's more than just a dinner. It's a sign of something bigger.
The Tourism Department also planning to ease visa policies for Indian nationals to encourage more of them to visit the country. Last year, over 5 million tourists from the world's most populous country traveled to Southeast Asia, but only 79,000 of them went to the Philippines. Still, the figure is 12.8% higher year on year. Overall, 5.6 million international tourists visited the country in 2024, falling short of its 7.7 million target. The government points to the suspension of e-visas for Chinese nationals in 2023 for this decline.
In June 2025, the Philippines made a bold move, granting visa-free access to all Indian nationals for 14 days, or up to 30 days for those with valid US, Shenzhen, or similar visas.
Starting October 1st, Air India will fly direct between Manila and Delhi, a move that's expected to boost inbound tourism from one of the Philippines' fastest growing markets. Flights will operate 5 days a week using the Airbus A321 Neo just as the Philippines rolls out visa-free entry for Indian tourists for up to 14 days.
Just months later, on October 1st, Air India launched its first direct flights from Delhi to Manila in over a decade. Why the red carpet treatment? Because Indian tourists are now among Asia's fastest growing traveler groups. And with Chinese arrivals slowing down, the Philippines is opening its doors and its dining tables to new friends. And here at Admiral Hotel Manila, the story unfolds, not in headlines, but in flavors. Their latest offering, the Admiral's Travels Taste of India, a limited-run culinary collaboration with Sofitel Mumbai. Leading the kitchen are two masters of Indian cuisine, flown in from Mumbai to bring a five-star feast to Manila's iconic bayfront.
All of the Indians that are done with it's the usual food in table. You were the one who did it. Yeah, so I'm the head chef of Sofitel Mumbai. So you've been here for the 8th of October, yeah. Only for 1 week I'm here. Because we present the Indian food at the weekdays of the big Indian food. So you're training them. Oh, it's really nice to be training.
The menu reads like a love letter to Indian heritage. You have the Lucknowi Murg Pulao, which is saffron rice, spiced chicken, layered flavor. We have Subs Dum Biryani, slow-cooked vegetables in a medley of Indian aromatics. Paneer Tikka Masala, smoky, bold, familiar yet refined. Then came the heavy hitters, Organic Ghosts, a garlic-rich lamb stew, Lasuni Dal Tadka, comfort in a bowl. And for seafood lovers, the prawn pepper fry and Kashmiri Lamb Chop delivered depth and heat. For dessert, we have beetroot apple halwa, earthy and sweet, and Shahi Tukda, crisp bread soaked in saffron syrup and reduced milk, a regal ending to a royal meal. But what made today special wasn't just the food, it was the feeling. A shared table between two cultures, a day where flavors created connection. I've had Indian food before, but this is next level. Elegant, vibrant, soulful. Did you know there are around 70,000 Indians living in the Philippines today? Many are students, professionals, business owners, people who've made the Philippines their second home. And while they already enjoy Indian food from places across the country, events like this offer something rarer, an elevated five-star experience that honors tradition with finesse. So whether you're visiting or you live here, this dinner is for you also. With Chinese arrivals declining, the Philippines is shifting strategy, aiming to diversify inbound tourism. India is a natural partner, big population, growing middle class, deep interest in tropical travel. And this isn't just a policy shift, it's happening right now at hotel buffets, bayfront events, and dining tables just like this. The Admiral's Travels Taste of India runs daily at the Admiral Club Manila Bay until October 31, 2025. It's a chance to taste something familiar or discover something new in a setting that elevates every bite. So whether you're flying in from Mumbai or just crossing EDSA, your next cultural journey might just start with dinner. Like, comment, and subscribe if you believe food is the best way to travel, even without leaving home.